Welcome to the presentation of quality management. In quality management, we will discuss about the SQC in last previous chapter. Now we will discuss about the control charts, the purpose of the control charts, advantage, and the type of the control charts. The control charts tell when to leave a process alone and thus prevent unnecessary frequently adjustment. Control charts are graphical representation and are based on statistical sampling theory, according to which an adequate size random sample is drawn from each lot. Control charts detect variations in the processing and warn if there is any departure from the specified tolerance limits. These control charts immediately tell the undesired variations and help in detecting the causes and its removal. In control charts, where both upper and lower values are specified for a quality characteristics, has shown has some products shown variation outside the tolerances. A review of situation is taken and corrective step is immediately taken. If analysis of the control charts indicate that the process is currently under control, that is stable with variation only coming from sources common to the process, then the data from the process can be used or predict the future performance of the process. If the chart indicates that the process being monitored is not in control, analysis of the chart can help determine the sources of variation which can be eliminated to bring the process back into control. The control chart can be seen as part of an objective and disciplined approach that enable correct decision regarding control of the process, including whether or not to change process control parameters. The process parameters should never be adjusted for a process that is in control. Has this result in degrade purpose process performance? In the other word, control chart is a device which specified the state of statistical control and a device for attending statistical control and a device to judge whether statistical control has been attained or not. The purpose of control chart and the advantage are a control chart indicate whether the process is in control or out of control. It is determined process variability and detect unusual variations taking place in a process. It ensures product quality levels. It warms in time and if the process is rectified at that time, scrap or percentage rejection can be reduced. It provides information about the selection of process and setting of tolerance limits. Control charts build up the reputation of the organization through customer satisfaction. Now the control chart is consist of point representation a statics that is a mean, range, proportion of measurement of quality characteristics in sample taken from the process at different times. The mean of the statics using all the sample is calculated. Example, the mean of the means, mean of the range, mean of the proportions. A center line is drawn at the value of the mean of the statics. The standard error, like standard deviation, square root of n of the mean of the statics is also calculated using the all samples. Upper and lower control limits also shown in the figure, sometimes called natural process limits. They indicate the threshold at which the process output is considered statistical, unlikely, are drawn typically at three standard errors from the center lines. As is shown in the figure, the upper dotted red lines where you can find out the UCL. UCL means upper control limit and LCL means lower control limit. And the green line is center line. It is the statistical control line. There is a two type of the control chart. First is variable or measurement chart. Second is attribute chart. In variable or measurement chart, uh, we also find two type of chart: X bar chart and R chart. In attribute chart, we have P chart, NP chart, and C chart. We will discuss it later in attribute chart. In this chapter, we will cover the variable chart. The control chart can be used for measure any characteristics of a product such as weight of the cereal box, the number of the chocolates in box, or the volume of the bottled water. The different characteristics that can be measured by the control chart are divided into two groups: variable and attributes. Thank you.